Welcome learners. This is Dr. T. Gangaram, lecturer in statistics, SVA Government College, Srikalahasti. The objective of this video lecture is to introduce you the Assistant Statistical Officer examination. Notification is going to be issued on August 15th, 2026. In this video lecture, we will discuss the preparation strategy based on recently held examinations 2022 and 2025 question paper analysis. Our Department of Statistics, in coordination with Career Guidance Cell, we are going to organize online or offline guidance to ASO aspirants. Andhra Pradesh State Government job calendar released on 18th March on Ugadi. ASO notification is expected on 15th August 2026. It is in the phase 2. In phase 1, May 15th, there is associate and assistant professor notification. There are 251 total assistant statistical officer posts. These posts are particularly meant for statistics background students only. Golden opportunity for statistics graduates and a candidates for educational qualification. Candidates must hold a bachelor's degree from a recognized university. All our students, maths, statistics, computer science background students are eligible. BCom commerce students are also eligible because they are studying business statistics. Statistics as a main subject, or statistics should at least 1 year in mathematics, economics and commerce, computer science students. BA students, BA HEP students are also eligible because they are studying economic statistics in 1 year. The strong foundation in statistics is essential for getting this assistant statistical officer post. The selection process will be the written examination, computer based written test, and paper 1 contains general studies and mental ability about 150 marks, and the subject specific content 150 marks. In these subjects we are going to get marks in economics, commerce, accountancy, statistics and computer science subjects. There are negative marks also. 1/3 mark you wrongly chosen will subtract 1/3 marks from your score. After shortlisted, you are going to pass computer proficiency test. It is in qualifying in nature, mandatory for final selection. About assistant statistical officer examination, it will be conducted by Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. The main focus areas are in the examination: economics, statistics, accountancy and computer and Excel. These are objective type questions. All 150 subject questions are multiple choice questions. The ASO examination recently held in April 2025 and 2022. In ASO 2022, the strong focus on basics, key topics like money and banking, national income, budget and fiscal concepts, elasticity and market structure. Mostly they are concept based and small calculations. The ASO 2022-5 question paper shift towards advanced concepts. Major areas are correlation and time series analysis, index numbers, data interpretation and Excel and digital tools. More analytical and application based questions arrived in the year 2025. The ASO 2026 preparation strategy will be combined 2022 basics and 2025 advanced level. We must focus on statistics as high priority. because some statistics questions may arrive in general studies also, money and banking, national income, Excel skills. You must practice ascertain and reasoning questions, match the following questions, numerical MCQ questions. For this, our statistics, programmed statistics, you can use fundamentals of mathematical statistics and fundamentals of applied statistics you can use. The important topics to cover for ASO preparation is the measures of the first characteristic, basic measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode, the dispersion, standard deviation and coefficient of variation, the relationship between two variables, correlation, Carl Pearson's coefficient, properties, rank correlation coefficient, time series analysis and index numbers, money supply and Excel functions. Our college staff provides previous question papers, many previous question papers available with us. Assistant Statistical Officer 2011-2012 question papers also available with us. Various examination conducted in the subject statistics also available with us. This is Forest Range Officers examination conducted in 2012. Like this, we have look here Forest Range Officers, and this is Assistant Director of Economics and Statistics Bureau 2011. You can find the latest question papers in APPSC portal also. We have different question papers with us for practicing. ASO 2011, the degree lecturers question papers available with us. This PDF contains around 350 pages. Also, we have the material. Also, various PG entrance examinations questions material also available. We need to choose the syllabus prescribed for assistant statistical officer statistics syllabus. Many questions available with a so it is easy for us for preparing and practicing different question papers. Support from our college, free guidance for statistics students, concept based teaching, model tests and practice questions, video lectures. I want to prepare the concept wise 5 minutes video lectures on all statistics concepts arrived in 2022 and 2025. We will discuss through online Google Meet doubt clarification sections. Interested candidates can register through the Google form. Start prepare early. You have plenty of time. Build strong conceptual understanding. Practice regularly. Aim for ASO 2026 success. I wish you all the best. Thank you.